Hello viewers, my name is Vishal and I represent the brand CEASEFIRE. We are very glad to know that Divya Media is doing a series on fire safety as a culture. Now, where do we begin when we talk about fire safety as a culture? I think as people from the fire trade, being a part of the fire fraternity, the trade, the industry needs to look at two dimensions, in two directions simultaneously, I believe. One side is to keep evolving with the changing times. You know, what the concept of fire safety was 5 years or 10 years ago is very different from what it is today. So it is very important for us, being associated in the fire trade to keep an eye in the future, because you have new kind of risks emerging every day. You have new spaces emerging, in everyday lifetime. So conventional systems which are designed for buildings and premises long ago are no longer, valid or relevant. That's on one side. On the other side, while the world moves towards greener solutions, towards sustainability, we as fire trade also have to keep up with the times and keep up with the pace to develop technologies which are kinder to the earth, which are safer to the environment. How do we change our extinguishing technologies to not alter the very nature of Mother Nature? Not play with the world. So here we're talking about extinguishing technologies which are biodegradable, which are or no PFAS at all. So I think these are the two broad areas one needs to keep an eye on, and then imbibe a culture where fire safety gets embedded into the everyday life of, how we go about doing our business. I think that is the key issue, people being in the trade, should be addressing today.